To complete the installation of the Channel Master Pro Mount, we recommend using a power tool, a 29/64-inch drill bit, a 1/2-inch nut driver, 2 1/2-inch wrenches, and a level tool. Step 1. Hold the assembled Pro Mount against the flat surface where you'll be attaching it to. Next, using a power tool and a 29/64-inch drill bit, drill 4 pilot holes as shown. Step 2. Attach the assembled mount as shown using the 4 included 1/2-inch lag screws with a power tool and a 1/2-inch nut driver. Step 3. Insert your pole or mast into the V-bolt and clamp as shown. Then tighten the flange nuts using a 1/2-inch wrench. Step 4. Use a level tool as shown to ensure your pole is straight and perpendicular with the ground. Adjust the bracket if needed, then tighten securely in place using 2 1/2-inch wrenches. Note, the Channel Master Pro Mount can support a pole with a diameter between 1 1/4 to 2 inches. Also, Channel Master recommends a maximum pole length of 5 feet per mount. This concludes the installation of the Channel Master Pro Mount. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel and visit us online at channelmaster.com.